The method used for mussels harvesting is the rope couture method, with the seeds put inside a GDI mussel sock, suspended on a rope, and put in water. When the mussels reach their maturation period, the mussel sock is lifted out of the water and the rope is cut. It is then put in a threshing machine, where the mussels are separated from the sock. After separation, the mussels are put in a container awaiting further processing. At this point, the farmers focus on the mussel sock. It is thoroughly washed and made ready for a fresh batch of mussel seeds. The socks are suspended on a rope, like before, and mussel seeds are loaded into them. After all the socks are full, a machine makes sure to fasten the knots. The socks are then immersed in water, awaiting another harvesting season. The same harvesting cycle would be repeated once this batch reaches maturation. The processing phase is where the real work begins. Because of the dirt the mussels would have amassed underwater, they are thoroughly washed. This is done after the socks are removed and before they are separated from the ropes. They are then taken through a series of processes, one of which is the hand-picking segment, where the unhealthy-looking mussels are thrown out. Another round of washing and dewatering is done with a dewatering machine. After this, the mussels are put in different large bags ready to be sent off to the purification plants where the final processing is done. Conveyor systems on boats are essential for efficiently handling the vast quantities of mussels harvested from the sea. These conveyors receive the mussels directly from the harvesting equipment and transport them through the various processing stages on the boat. The conveyors often include primary sorting areas where debris and unwanted materials are manually or automatically removed. The continuous flow provided by the conveyor system ensures that mussels are processed quickly and efficiently, minimizing manual labor and reducing physical strain on workers. This automation enhances productivity and maintains consistent handling standards, crucial for managing large-scale mussel harvesting operations effectively. Purification plants are fitted with tons of containers. The harvested mussels are put in these containers where they are purified, descent, and kept alive pending processing in the factory. A whole lot of purification is done to the mussels in this purification plant. This is to make sure that the mussels are healthy enough to be consumed and also to reduce the slime. Various specialized machinery is used to wash mussels efficiently in large quantities. Rotary drum washers with internal spray nozzles tumble and clean mussels, while high-pressure spray washers use powerful water jets to remove dirt and debris. Brush washers incorporate rotating brushes combined with water sprays for thorough scrubbing, and flume wash systems transport and clean mussels using flowing water. Tumbler washers agitate and spray mussels in large rotating drums, and hydrocyclone systems use centrifugal force to separate mussels from contaminants. Additionally, ultrasonic cleaners, which use high-frequency sound waves to create cavitation bubbles, help dislodge dirt from mussels, though they are less common on a large scale. Quality checks are conducted by human inspectors to ensure that only high-quality mussels proceed to packaging. Inspectors examine the mussels for size, shell integrity, and the absence of debris or damage, often using well-lit inspection stations with conveyor belts to facilitate continuous and efficient monitoring. Any mussels that do not meet the quality standards are manually removed. Once the mussels pass inspection, they are transferred to packaging stations where they are weighed and placed into containers such as mesh bags, vacuum-sealed packs, or bulk crates. In small packaging distribution methods for mussels, after cleaning and quality inspection, mussels are often placed into smaller mesh bags or vacuum-sealed packs, sometimes submerged in water to maintain moisture and freshness. These small bags can be packaged with a brine solution or natural seawater to extend shelf life and prevent the mussels from drying out. The bags are then placed in large containers, sometimes for deparation purposes, where mussels are held in clean seawater to filter out any remaining impurities. For markets requiring shucked mussels, the mussels are steamed open, the meat is extracted, and then packaged in vacuum-sealed containers or trays. These methods ensure that consumers receive fresh, high-quality mussels, whether in shell or pre-shucked, while adhering to food safety standards. Facilities that use automatic machinery often rely on several key types of equipment to streamline this process. Weighing and filling machines are essential. These machines automatically measure precise, uniform quantities of mussels and deposit them into bags or other containers. Some facilities rely on manual packaging, where workers handle these tasks. Workers manually weigh the mussels using scales, fill bags or containers, and then seal them, often using heat sealers or other sealing equipment. Once packaged, these delectable treasures of the sea are ready for distribution to markets near and far, where they will delight seafood enthusiasts with their savory taste. Whether enjoyed steamed, grilled, or in a flavorful seafood stew, mussels continue to captivate palates around the world, showcasing the excellence of sustainable aquaculture practices.